Hello and welcome to this CSD video tutorial on how to get started. In this tutorial we will show you how to get started creating a new completion schematic in CSD. To start from scratch, press New and then save the document to the right field and well. Go to File, Save As in Database and choose the right well. If you can't find your well in CSD, please get in touch with CSD support and we will register it for you. For dual string completions, choose Toggle Single Dual in the Data menu. Notice that when you create a new file, there is a message at the top of the screen saying "No installation registered for this completion. MSL is therefore current datum." Press the button to add an installation. The first thing you should do is to register an installation with its belonging datum, as this will be the reference point for the rest of the data you put in. Do this by clicking the Set button from the message, or go to the Data menu and choose Well and Completion Data, and then go to the Datum tab. Now register an installation by clicking on the New button and choose the correct installation from the drop-down list. Then enter the correct RKB to MSL or air gap and press Update. Then it's time to define the general well info in Well and Completion Data. Here you register wellbore name, well type, dates and important depths in the well. For more details regarding this, check out video tutorial number 3, Well and Completion Data. The next step is to enter data in the Well and Completion Attributes dialog. Here you can register a number of attributes that are important for the schematics in CSD. We have casings with size, depths and specs, perforation intervals with detailed information, import of survey data in order to calculate TVDs, and so on. When all the well and completion attributes are registered, it's time to build a string. This can be done in various ways, but we will explain the most common methods. You can build a string by drag and drop items from the Part Explorer or the toolbox. For example, drag a tubing hanger from the Part Explorer into the CSD schematic. Type in part number or other specifications to search for the correct part. If you can't find the correct item, please get in touch with us in CSD support in order to get the new item added to the database. For tubulars like puck joints, tubing, flow couplings and so on, we recommend you to use generic items. These symbols do not require a part number in the equipment database in advance and are editable. You find the symbols at the top in the toolbox and use them by drag and drop into the schematic and then fill in the information in the window that pops up. For more information regarding generic parts, check out video tutorial number 6, Generic Items. Continue to build your string this way by searching for your items in the Part Explorer and using the generic parts for tubulars. Note that parts also can be copied within the schematic. Right-click and choose Copy, then right-click and choose Paste and click where you want the part inserted. This is useful when you've got several identical or similar parts. Just remember to update the lengths. You can also copy an entire string or part of a string from another well. This is done by highlighting the items you want to copy, right-click and choose Copy. Then you go to your well, right-click and choose Paste and click where you want it to be inserted. Another way to start is to copy an existing well. This is useful if you've already got a very similar well in CSD. To copy another well, you must open the well you want to copy and then go to File, Save As in Database and save it as a new completion to the new well. Just note that when you use this method, it's very important to check all the data and update it according to the new well, so that all data belongs to the new well and not the old. Also, remember to save as you work. There is no auto-save function in CSD. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If any questions, please get in touch with us in CSD support.